guys, it's Kylie from OkieGirlBling'n'Things.com, and today I'm going to show y'all how to do corner to corner crochet, or a lot of people shorten it down to C2C, and it's a very quick and easy crochet stitch that to learn to do, all you need to know is how to chain, double crochet, and slip stitch, and it's really easy, and we'll get right into it. So I have a piece here that I worked up. And I've done two colors so you can see the contrasting colors. And I also have, if you'd rather just see a picture tutorial on my blog, which I will link below down here in the comments so you can see. And the neat thing about corner to corner crochet is that it's reversible, so it's identical on both sides. When your ends are properly weaved in and stuff, it looks the exact same on both sides. So, and the reason obviously it's called corner to corner is because you start one corner and work your way across, back and forth, to your last corner. And I will show you how to increase, decrease, and everything in between. And we'll go ahead and we'll get started. So to get started, we're just going to start by chaining 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. And what you'll do is you're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook. One double crochet made, and now we will double crochet in these other 2 stitches here. And we have one little square. I like to think of it as little squares. So we have one square done. So now to continue, row 2 you will chain 6, 5, 6. You will double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook, and in the next 2 chains. So this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have it, it's going to look like this. So what we're going to do is you're holding it like this, is you're going to twist the first little corner, you're going to twist it, and slip stitch into this like chain 3 space is what I'm going to call it. This very first space, here where we chained our 6, it's going to be like a space. This corner, you're going to slip stitch. So I'll do it again. You're holding it, it looks like this, you're going to twist it, and we're going to just insert our hook right here, and we're going to slip stitch. And then to continue, we will chain 3 and work 3 double crochet in this space. 3. And that's row 2. So we have 2 more little squares. So there's 3 squares. So continue, chain 6, 5, 6, double crochet in the 4th chain from your hook, and in the next 2 chains, spaces, you will take your piece, turn it, slip stitch in that corner, and then chain 3 and work 3 double crochet in that spot. And you'll get to see how it comes along. The more you go, it'll start to look more like a square. Okay, so we've done 2. So we're going to do a 3rd one. So now to continue, this corner you will just slip stitch into that spot, that chain 3 like space, empty spot makes like a corner. Just see. Slip stitch, chain 3, and 3 double crochet. And then you'll pretty much just keep repeating row 3 until it gets as wide as you would like it to be. So there's what it looks like. You see we start with 1, 2, you get 3, you go on, you'll get 4, 5, and so on. And we'll just keep doing that until we get it as big as we want. So we'll chain 6, double crochet in the 4th chain from our hook and the next 2 chain spaces. Take it, twist it, and then we'll continue like we did earlier. We will slip stitch into this space, chain 3, and 3 double crochet in that space. So it's really simple and easy. And a lot of people make graphicans, which I'm really interested in making, and I'm fixing to start designing my own. And we'll continue, slip stitch in the next space, chain 3, 3 double crochet. I'm fixing to start that, so y'all go check out my blog because I may have already, by the time y'all watch this video, I may have some designs put up. Who knows? And then another one, slip stitch, chain 3, so there we go. So I'm going to do a couple more rows, get a little bigger, and then I'll show you how to decrease it. Okay, so I now have 6 squares across, and I will now show you how to decrease it so you can make an even square. So to get started, it doesn't matter how many squares you have across, it works the same. You can make it as large or small as you want. I'm doing it really small for the purpose to show y'all. So to do that, we will just chain 3, turn it, and we're going to slip stitch into this space. So pretty much what you're doing is you're skipping making another little square. You're just chain 3 and folding it over, and then we'll make a square here and continue down, and that will shorten us 1 for each row. So instead of chain our 6 and make another square, we're just going to decrease it. So then we'll do like we normally would. We will chain 3 and 3 double crochet in this spot. And so if you look at it, see how that will start to square us off there? And we'll continue in that manner all the way across, slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and you'll just continue that all the way down. So that's pretty much all you do. Is the first one of the round, you just chain 3 and fold it over and slip stitch instead of making a new stitch up there, and it'll continue decreasing and decreasing, and then you only have 1 left. Okay. So when you get here and you've done your square and you have 1 space left, 1 square left, instead of slip stitching and chain 3 and making another square on top, we're just going to slip stitch, and that'll be it for the round. So what we'll do to continue decreasing, we will chain 3, turn, and slip stitch. So you're not going to make squares on your ends. Like right here, we won't make squares up, we'll just keep coming down, and it'll keep closing us out. So what we'll do now is we will chain 3 and 3 double crochet in this space. And then we'll just continue across like we normally would. Slip stitch, chain 3, 3 double crochet. So it's really easy. I love making baby blankets with it. It's a fun stitch. I like getting multicolored yarns and making baby blankets because they always come out with different stripes and patterns, and I always like to see how they're going to turn out. Okay. Last spot here, we'll do that. then what we'll do is we'll just slip stitch. And there is another round. So we will chain 3, slip stitch in this corner, turn it, slip stitch in this corner, and then we'll just continue chain 3, 3 double crochet across. And I'll show you how to do it when you get one little square left. So now you just have one corner left. I have chain 3. I will turn, slip stitch that corner, and then we'll just make one last square. Chain 3, 3 double crochet. And on her very last square, you're done. You just slip stitch, and you will cut your yarn and weave in your ends. And that is how you do corner to corner crochet. Be sure and subscribe to this my YouTube channel if you enjoyed this video, and check out my blog for free crochet patterns. Happy crocheting, guys!